Hello everyone, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to talk about the frequently asked Agile entry questions and answers. The first question is, what is Agile? So, Agile is a methodology. It is an incremental and iterative approach to software development under which requirements and solutions evolve through the collaborative effort of self-organizing and cross-functional teams and their end user. In Agile approach, there is no separate team, all combined to develop software development that we call as Agile team. Agile team means is collection of people, or their developers, testers, project managers, and scrum masters. The next question is how Agile methodology is different from traditional waterfall process. In Agile methodology, features of the software are delivered frequently so that the testing activity is done simultaneously with the development activity. Testing team is shortened as only small features are need to be tested at once. In case of in the waterfall model, testing activities takes place at the end of the entire development process. Testing time in this case is long as the entire product is to be tested is one go. Waterfall methodology is a closed process where all stakeholders are not involved in the development process, whereas Agile methodology requires the involvement of various stakeholders, including customers. The next question is, what kind of project is suitable for Agile methodology? The traditional methodology is suited for projects with predefined, clearly stated requirements, while Agile development methodology is suitable for projects with dynamic requirements where frequent changes in the product come up on a regular basis. The next question is, what are the different types of Agile methodologies? There are several types of Agile development methodology. So in that one, Scrum is the most popular and widely used Agile method. The other types of Agile development methodologies are development life crystal methodology, dynamic software development method, future driven development, lean software development, and extreme programming. So these are the other different Agile methodologies. But mostly used methodology in the current industry is Scrum methodology. The next question is, what is the difference between incremental and iterative? The iterative methodology is a process of software development without any interruption. In this method, software development cycles consisting of sprint and release are repeated until the final product is obtained. Whereas the incremental model is a process of software development where the product is designed, implemented, and tested incrementally until the product is finished. It involves both development and maintenance. The next question is, what is burn up and burn on charts in Agile? To track the progress of ongoing project, these charts are used. Burn up charts indicate the work that has been completed, while burn down charts shows the amount of remaining work in a project. The next question is, what is velocity of sprint and how it is measured? Velocity is one of the planning tools used to estimate the speed of the work and the time of the completion of the project. The calculation of velocity is done by reviewing the work team has successfully completed during earlier sprints. For example, if team completed 5 stories during a 2-week sprint and each story was worth 3 story points, and then team's velocity is 15 story points per sprint. The next question is, what are the some qualities that good agile tester must have? Agile tester should be able to understand the requirements quickly. Agile tester should know agile concepts and principles. As requirements keep changing, he should understand the risk involved in it. Agile tester should be able to prioritize the work based on the requirements. And communication is must for agile tester as it requires a lot of communication with developers and business associates. The next question is, what is difference between product backlog and sprint backlog? Product backlog is maintained by the project owner, which contains every feature and requirement of the product, whereas sprint backlog can be treated as subset of product backlog, which contains features and requirements related to that particular sprint only. The last question is, what is difference between extreme programming and Scrum? Scrum teams usually have to work in iterations where which are known as sprints, which generally last up to 2 weeks to 1 month long, while XP team, XP team means extreme programming team, works in the iteration that last for 1 or 2 weeks. XP teams are more flexible as they can change their iterations while Scrum teams do not. So these are the frequently asked Agile entry questions and answers. These questions are very helpful for freshers and as well as for experienced testers. So thank you for watching.